Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel ORG Cars. The 2025 Toyota bZ4X marks a significant milestone in Toyota's journey toward electrification, presenting a compelling option in the all-electric SUV market. This model seamlessly blends Toyota's renowned reliability with modern electric vehicle technology, offering consumers an eco-friendly yet practical driving experience. Design and exterior features. The bZ4X showcases a sleek, aerodynamic design that reflects Toyota's commitment to innovation. Its exterior is characterized by sharp lines and a distinctive front fascia, complemented by available slim-profile quad-LED headlights and daytime running lights (DRL) that enhance its modern aesthetic. The vehicle's silhouette is accentuated by a performance-inspired split-roof rear spoiler, contributing to its dynamic stance. Aerodynamic elements such as lower front bumper vents, a fully covered underbody, and a streamlined rear spoiler not only enhance the vehicle's appearance but also improve its efficiency. The bZ4X rides on available 20-inch black machine-finished alloy wheels, which add to its commanding presence on the road. Interior and comfort. Inside, the bZ4X offers a spacious and thoughtfully designed cabin that prioritizes comfort and convenience. The interior features a panoramic glass roof that creates an open and airy atmosphere, while the available heated and ventilated front seats ensure comfort in various weather conditions. Front passengers can also benefit from the available radiant foot and leg heater, providing warmth during colder drives. The cabin is equipped with modern amenities, including an auto-dimming rear-view mirror and rain-sensing wipers, enhancing the overall driving experience. Performance and powertrain. The bZ4X is built on Toyota's eTNGA platform, which provides a solid foundation for its electric powertrain and contributes to its balanced handling and stability. The vehicle is available in both front-wheel drive, FWD, and all-wheel drive, AWD, configurations. The FWD model is powered by a single electric motor producing 201 horsepower and 196 pounds-feet of torque, delivering responsive acceleration suitable for daily commutes. The AWD variant features dual electric motors with a combined output of 214 horsepower and 248 pounds-feet of torque, offering enhanced traction and control. The AWD system includes X mode, which optimizes performance by adjusting power delivery and braking to navigate various driving conditions confidently. Charging and range. Charging convenience is a key aspect of the bZ4X's design. The vehicle comes with a portable dual-voltage charging cable, allowing owners to charge at home using standard household outlets. Under ideal conditions, the bZ4X can gain up to 25 miles of driving range per hour of charging, making overnight charging a practical option for many drivers. For on-the-go charging, the bZ4X is compatible with a vast network of public charging stations nationwide. The vehicle's range varies depending on the configuration. The FWD model offers an estimated range of up to 252 miles on a full charge, while the AWD model provides up to 228 miles, making it suitable for both daily commutes and longer journeys. Technology and safety. The bZ4X is equipped with a suite of advanced technologies designed to enhance safety and connectivity. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and safe exit assist. These systems work together to provide a safer driving experience by assisting the driver in monitoring surroundings and maintaining control. The infotainment system offers seamless integration with smartphones, ensuring drivers and passengers stay connected and entertained on the road. Pricing and incentives. Toyota has positioned the bZ4X competitively within the electric SUV market. The base XLE trim starts at $38,465, including destination charges, offering a comprehensive set of standard features. The limited trim, which adds premium amenities such as a heated steering wheel, heated and ventilated front seats, a multi-view camera system, and soft-X faux leather upholstery, is priced higher, reflecting its additional features. Both trims are available in FWD and AWD configurations, allowing consumers to choose the model that best fits their driving needs.